Hello again, Brad Kuvin here, editorial director of MetalForming magazine, your guide through the exciting world of metal forming. I'm here at PMA headquarters next to the latest addition to our lobby, this vintage Versen press, to bring you our latest news via this MetalForming Minute. So what's new? Our editorial team is hard at work. We're crafting an exciting June-July magazine edition as we speak, so get ready for an exploration into die design and simulation technology, including a case study featuring a stamper excelling in prototype and short-run production. And that's not all. The issue also will delve into the realm of ERP software with some insightful case studies, including an article on how AI-powered ERP is helping improve overall equipment effectiveness. We'll also have an article on laser cutting for precision sheet metal work, and we'll tackle the challenges of troubleshooting resistance welding. Useful knowledge for any metal former. But hold on to your hats, because there's more heading your way. In July, August, we'll bring back our MetalForming Live webcast series, 3 live panel discussions brimming with useful information, including a session on end-of-line automation, equipment selection for dealing with high-strength materials, and then we'll finally, in our 3rd edition of the MetalForming Live session this summer, we'll delve into press brake selection and tooling optimization. That'll round out the event. So don't miss out on any of this action. Visit MetalFormingMagazine.com for all of the details and secure your spot in the metal forming community. And that is the MetalForming Minute.